Hello and welcome to Sylvan Miss Designs. So are you brand new or just trying to get some practice in? Maybe you want to experiment a bit. Well, I've got some tips. If you have a design that you're completely stuck on, wait at least an hour and make sure your paint is completely dry to the touch. Lay a piece of clear cling film over your project. Now you could use this to try out patterns, play with designs, figure out your color scheme before you actually solidify the designs. Then simply pick up the cling film when you're done and toss it. If you want to practice a printed design, something that you've found on a website, have a tutorial for, something of those lines, drop that printed piece of paper into a page protector, or maybe laminate the page. One trick I had seen that was fantastic: go to the dollar store and buy an 8x10 frame. Take out the glass of the frame, or maybe you have an old one sitting around. Put your printed design underneath the pane of glass and then dot on top of the glass. So long as your paint is still wet, you'll always be able to wipe it clean and practice as many times as you'd like. When it comes to practicing, you want something that's going to be quick, easy, and correctable. For this, try using ceramic tiles. You can typically get these at any home improvement store. If you're really interested and you want to try these as a product in the future, you can certainly buy a package of 100 or more. Maybe check your local thrift shops, yard sales, or pop in with your neighbors to see if maybe they have some leftover tiles from a kitchen or bath remodel. I'm sure they'd be happy to get rid of some extras. Otherwise, lots of places here in the United States, like Home Depot or Lowe's, do actually provide free samples of some of their tiles. So step into a store and grab a few. These tiles are fantastic to practice on, but if you can't get a hold of a tile, try resin coating items. Something like a rock or any other smooth surface. Take a minute to use a clear varnish to spray over a surface. Any of these methods will make correcting mistakes very easy and ideal for getting your practice in. Use a multimedia sketchbook to paint and practice in. I love this idea, not only because it's something quote unquote cheap and easy, but because this also has the ability to hold your ideas, sketches, and a beautiful way to come back and reflect on your progress as you continue through the art. When you use a multimedia sketchbook to paint in, make sure not to close the book on your completed design before the paint is completely dry. More than an hour.